Hey, what's happening? Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul Farmer. What I want to do today is I want to talk about Sparky AI. Sparky AI system, the automatic duplication system. There's different names we're giving it, but it's the same thing. And what I want to cover today, because this is a question that I got asked the other day, was do I need to be in all the income streams? So do I need to be a member in all the income streams? Because the Sparky system is set up in a way where you are able to duplicate your income, leverage your income through multiple income streams. So let's get right to it, right? So I'm going to come over here and let's just walk through like how this works, right? So you can join the system, the automatic duplication system for free. For free, you can put two of your own programs in there. So even if you're already marketing something, you don't want to market any of the programs in the Sparky system, you can still plug in two of your own companies. And that's what I did. I put two of my own companies in there. One of them I've been in for over 4 years. It's called the Home Business Academy. And the other one I've been in for 10 years, made over $175,000 with that system, with that program, and growing. And that one I've been in for 10 years. That's what I have in there right now. You can change them out if you decide to change them out. But I want to go with something that's proven, something that's been around for a while, something that's been paying on time every time, and provides a lot of value. So that's what I put in mind. But you can put whatever the heck you want to put in, and you can use the system. You can go out, you can generate your own leads. You know, as a free member, you can go out and generate your own leads. So right here, we're looking at the free membership. What do you get? Membership dashboard access, multiple income stream downline builder, and you could connect two companies, two of your own companies into the system. Well, why the heck would you want to do that? Well, because those leads are followed up with by Sparky AI right here. This dude, this guy here, is going to follow up with your leads. He's going to call them, text them, email blast them, and voicemail drop them. And we also have a 24/7 call center as well that's working for you to onboard your people, your leads, and close them and train them. So it's a complete system by itself, even if you were not to purchase anything. Now, I recommend purchasing at least a membership, at least a membership. And there's three different ones, and you only need to have one of these memberships. So you could have the plus, you got the pro, or you have the elite. Now, this is where it gets interesting about the different income streams. Can you join, can you be in this without all the income streams? I will already explain that. You don't have to join any of the income streams. You can still use the system and plug two of your own opportunities into it. So the next question is this MSI certified, okay? Multiple streams of income certified. So what this means is you get a discount on your monthly membership if you're MSI certified, meaning you have the core companies. See, signed up with all core companies marked core MSI. You just highlight that. Signed up with all the core companies marked with MSI. Now, right now, I don't believe they're even marked at this time. But there are more core companies that are being added. And the way it works is you don't have to be in every single one of them. If you want to get the discount on the membership, so let me just explain this because I want to make sure this is very clear. If you want to get the discount, so this column here, if you look right here, this would be the discount, right? Okay, so if you want to get the discount on the membership, so instead of paying the $50 right here, you're paying $20, and then you're paying for the different income streams, whatever those are monthly, which are very, very inexpensive. The whole point here is so you can increase your income, leverage a powerful system so you can make more money, so you can have multiple commissions coming in. So when a customer comes into this platform, when a customer comes into this system, the number of ways you can earn are pretty amazing because you can earn off the membership, right here. So if they go and purchase a membership, depending on what they purchase. So if they come in as an elite member and they don't become MSI certified, which they're probably going to because it's only going to be 200 versus the 250, they discount the 50. And the reason they do that, so you're not paying extra for the income streams. You're paying the same amount you would for the membership. So your choice is, do I just want the membership and not have the income streams? Or do I want to have the income streams, pay the same amount monthly? Okay, there are some of them have, one-time setup costs. They're very nominal, very, very, very inexpensive. But outside of that, the monthly is going to be the minus the 50, right? That's the monthly. That's what the cost is going to be. Now, this could change slightly, but they said their goal is to have it at, I think it was no more than $55 a month. So you're not paying, extra for the income streams because they're discounting the membership. I hope that makes sense. Now, if you don't want the income streams, you can just do the regular membership. So let's say someone doesn't want the income streams. They come in and they get, let's say they get the pro, right? So as a commission, you'd be making 25 bucks because they came in under you, but they would be paying $100. Whereas if they have the income streams, they're going to be paying $50. You see the difference? $50. So that's why we say, well, I say, and others say, I'm sure, the founders of this say, it just makes the most sense to go and get those income streams. So I hope that makes sense to you. Um, Straight up, you don't need to purchase any of the income streams. You could just do the membership. Like if you're happy just with the membership, in a previous video, and I'll put this at the end, you can just go right to it. I show you how you can make up to $16,500 commissions even on a $20 membership. It's nuts, right? And you get that 20 when you come through the funnel. The first thing you do when you come through this video, you sign up for your free trial because yes, it's free. You can sign up for free. You are going to be offered. There's some different offers they give you that you won't get again. So when you come through this system, when you decide to come through this system by going to the link in the description of my video, I don't have a capture page, straight to the sales page here. You might think that's, oh, you're losing leads and all that. Maybe I am. I'm okay with it. I get leads every day from the system through the membership. So I'm okay with that. For now, like if it gets to a point where there are just so many people coming through my funnel, then yeah, I'm gonna probably go and add a capture page to it so I capture leads. But for right now, I'm fine with this because essentially I'm telling you what this is, and you can just go right to it. There's no barrier for you. Oh, I have to enter my email. No, there's no barrier. Well, you enter it into the system, and we have access to that in the system as well. So now I'm looking at someone that's actually somewhat serious, taking the time to create a free account to get it. I would rather have that kind of lead anyway, not someone that just wants to be curious, right? I'd rather have someone that's more serious, wants to get into the system, because once you get into the system, Sparky's going to call you. Sparky's going to text you. Sparky's going to voicemail drop and email you. Okay. You're going to have the opportunity to get live onboarding right then and there. So, of course, it makes more sense to me. Not only that, I want to keep it as simple as possible for success. Because, yeah, I could go and do extra things to, increase my leads and all that, but I want you to have success. And what I have found in my 13-year-old journey online, yes, I've been online for a little over 13 years making income. Haven't worked a job since 2013 by choice. Wasn't really choice. I got laid off from my job, but I haven't worked a job because I've been able to earn income from home. Never had a system like this one, by the way. Never had one that is so inexpensive to start that you can earn so much from. I've never had one that has all the follow-up added into it, all the touch points added into it. It takes 5 to 12 times for a person to make a buying decision. They have to see something 5 to 12 times before they make a buying decision. Okay. So the power of this system is Sparky is doing that for you. Our call center is doing that for you. So you got touch point after touch point after touch point after touch point. So people are seeing this. On top of that, they are retargeting for you. They are retargeting. So I've had members come and join me because I had a guy tell me no. He flat out told me no, this isn't for me. I'm doing something else. And he came back, I don't know, it was a few weeks later, a month later. He's like, man, I've been seeing Sparky all over the place. I want to get in this before I miss out, right? And now he's dialed in. He sees it. He sees the vision, you know, and that's working for you too. So literally, you have everything you need to be successful here. Everything, and it's never been this easy. It's never been this easy ever. I've never ever experienced it like this. And when I say easy, I mean easy, meaning you have the proper follow-up sequences in place, the things that you need in place in order to leverage your time, leverage your income, and increase conversions. Like you have everything in place with this system. So that's it. That's my answer. You can join this without joining the income streams. You could join the income streams, the core companies, so you get the discount. It's really just up to you how you want to do it. Uh, we are going to have income streams that are not part of the core. Let me go down here. They're not part of the core, so there will be some you will not have to join. There'll be some that are USA only, and if you're global, you won't be able to join them. It won't benefit you, right? So just understand that there's something for everyone here. This is a very powerful system. It's a major, like you get huge bang for your buck. Like I don't know anywhere where you could start for $20 and earn the amount of commissions you could earn in this system and have all the different pieces in place. The follow-up with AI, the high touch with real people in our 24/7 call center that no other company has. No other company has that I know of. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while. I've never seen it. And nobody can deny that. Nobody can deny that. They could try to fake it. And like I wasn't having a conversation on cell phone with my teammates, and he was talking to a guy, and this guy was saying, "Oh, well, I already have AI." Okay, well, do you have a 24/7 call center that's working for you? Not only for your leads that are coming through the system, the leads that are being put in the system from the memberships, because you get leads. At the plus, you get 25 double opt-in biz-op leads. At the Pro, you get 100, and at the Elite, you get 500. But they also give you a bonus when you come through. So be prepared for that. You get a bonus so you can get actually more leads than what I'm showing here. These are real leads. You can go to the site where they sell these leads. I've been selling these leads for 25 years. This company has been in business for 25 years. They got a deal, so we get them like at wholesale. And on top of that, if you were to go straight to that company and purchase leads, you're going to pay more and you don't have any follow up. You have to do it yourself. So which do you choose? I mean, the answer to me is simple. Like, why wouldn't you want them to be followed up with and have access to live coaching? Like, I don't know why you wouldn't. Doesn't that make more sense? Anyway, that's it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know all the income you can earn from just the membership without the income streams, watch the video that's going to pop up here right about now.